Yeah.
And we talk about roasting vegetables.
What am I supposed to do now? Tell me.
Spin.
Okay. I'm going to spin.
That wasn't very fast.
No? I'll try again.
That wasn't fast.
Oh my god.
Oh, that wasn't fast.
That was a good one. That's 4. Are we playing against the bird or against each other?
Against the bird.
Okay, so
you can do anything you want.
okay, I'm gonna do these 4 of these. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that a chicken flavor burger?
There.
No.
Oh. There. Bird.
Uh-oh.
Puzzle piece. I'm gonna get the bird. I'll get you because I'm getting the bird.
All right. Ooh, that was
No.
good. That was a good one.
You get to do
That was a 1. Okay.
So
Your turn. You have to spin.
oh, that was very fast. There. 3.
All right. I'm
3.
gonna pick one.
3 blueberries. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Mommy, it's your turn. Oh. There. Get to do 2.
All right. I'm gonna do green.
No, those were apples.
Okay.
There. Dog. Get to take one out.
Okay.
I'm gonna take an orange out. There. Mommy, it's your turn.
Okay.